Hello student, today we will complete exercises of chapter number 7, Fight Manju Fight. So first, state whether the sentences are true or false. Then the first sentence is Manjula Parelkar knew she would never pay like Hussein, and answer is true. Then second sentence, Manjula's father encouraged her to take up painting as a hobby. आंसर इज फॉल्स, उसके पापा उसे सपोर्ट नहीं करते थे इस चीज़ में. देन थर्ड वन, मिसेस परेलकर गेव हर डॉटर अ सेट ऑफ आर्टिस्ट वाटर कलर ऑन हर बर्थडे. इट्स ट्रू. देन फोर्थ, देर वॉज एन ऑन द स्पॉट पेंटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन एट अमोल स्कूल. इट इज़ ट्रू. Then fifth, Rich Belanger played cricket with an artificial hand. Is it true? No, it is false. He played football with an artificial foot. Then next, read the lines from the story and answer the questions. Then first line is, I don't know you were this good. इस सेंटेंस के ऊपर से आपको आंसर्स देने हैं. देन फर्स्ट, who said these words and to whom? Answer is Manjula's mother said to Manjula. आप भी मेरी तरह अंडरलाइन कर लीजिएगा ताकि आपको भी वो लर्न करने में ईजी हो. Then B, what was the person good at? The person was good at painting. यहाँ पर person जो वर्ड यूज़ किया है वो मंजुला के बारे में यूज़ किया है. And she was good at painting. Then next, what was the speaker doing at that moment? The speaker was doing her needlework at that moment. Then next line is, look for the next clue under your pillow. Then question is, what does this line refer to? Manjula's brother Amol had placed a clue in a box that would lead Manjula to her birthday gift. Then B question, what was kept under the pillows? 3 watercolor brushes made of sable hair were kept under her pillow. Then question C, who had kept it there? Amol, Manjula's brother, had kept it there. Then third line is, it is all Papa's fault. She wanted to say, but deep inside she knew it wasn't. So the first question is, who wanted to say these lines and to whom? Manjula wanted to say these lines to her father. Then question B, what was Papa's fault? Manjula's father's unkind words had compelled Manjula to give up painting forever. Her father felt that with her deformed hands, she would never be able to take up painting as a profession. उसके पापा को लगता था कि उसकी जो हैंड में डिफॉर्मिटीज़ है उसके कारण वो पेंटिंग जो है वो नहीं कर सकेगी, तो उसने एज अ प्रोफेशन वो सारी चीज़ें नहीं चूज़ करनी चाहिए. Then C, why does she eventually think that it was not Papa's fault? Manjula eventually felt that it was not Papa's fault because deep down she also felt that she may not be able to do much with painting due to her deformity. उसे कहीं तो भी पता था कि उसके डिफॉर्म हैंड से ये सारी चीज़ें पेंटिंग वो ठीक से नहीं कर पाएगी. Then fourth line, if Rich Belanger could do it, why not Manjula Parelkar? And question is, who said this word and to whom? Manjula said these words to her brother Amol. Then question B, who was Rich Belanger? What did he do? Rich Belanger was a football player and he played football with artificial feet. Then question C, which similarities did Manjula Parelkar have with Rich Belanger? इन दोनों में क्या similarities थी? Manjula and Rich Belanger both had a physical deformity. Rich's parent and Manjula's father were not supportive of their decision to play football with artificial feet and paint with deformed hand. इन दोनों में ये सिमिलैरिटीज़ थी कि इनमें क्या थी, फिजिकल डिफॉर्मिटी। और रिच के पेरेंट और मंजुला के फादर, ये दोनों भी कैसे थे, they were not supportive. Next we start question and answer. So the first question is, why do you think Manjula knew she would never paint like Hussein, and was she right in thinking so? And answer is, Manjula knew she would never paint like Hussein. ये Hussein कौन है? Yes, Hussein was a great painter. He is a great artist. Because she had only two claw-like malformed fingers on each hand. उसने कितने फिंगर्स है? सिर्फ 2 ही फिंगर्स है, वो भी अनडेवलप्ड थे. नो, शी वॉज नॉट राइट इन थिंकिंग. लेकिन उसने ऐसा नहीं सोचना चाहिए. बिकॉज इफ़ शी हैड द विल टू बिकम एन आर्टिस्ट, अगर उसे आर्टिस्ट बनना है, शी नीडेड टू हैव कॉन्फिडेंस इन हर सेल्फ. तो उसको क्या चाहिए? खुद के ऊपर कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए. एंड फेथ इन हर मालफॉर्म हैंड, और अपने हाथों पर भी जो डिफॉर्म है उन हाथों पर भी उसे क्या चाहिए? भरोसा चाहिए. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, what kind of man was Manjula's father? Give evidences from the story to support your answer. Manjula's father was not as supportive of her ambition to be a painter. वो उसे सपोर्ट नहीं करते थे. He displayed a casual attitude towards Manjula's painting. वो उस चीज़ को सीरियसली नहीं लेते थे. वो उनका कैसा कैजुअल एटीट्यूड था. He was also reluctant to buy watercolors for her, which he said were expensive. वो वाटर कलर लेने के बारे में भी नहीं सोचते थे. उनको लगता था कि ये सारी चीज़ें एक्सपेंसिव है और ये तो पेंटिंग कर ही नहीं सकेगी. He said and told her mother that she would never become a painter. उन्हें लगता था कि मंजुला कभी पेंटर नहीं बन सकेंगी. With her malformed hands, उसके जो डिफॉर्म हैंड्स है उसके कारण वो कभी पेंटिंग नहीं कर सकेगी. Then question number 3, why does Manjula's mother say fight Manju fight, and what does she want Manju to fight? The answer is, Manjula's mother wanted her to fight the obstacles that stood in the way of her desire to become painter. मंजुला को क्या बनना था? पेंटर. और उसकी मदर चाहती थी कि उसके रास्ते में जो भी मुश्किलें आए वो सारी मुश्किलों को वो फेस करे एंड नॉट गिव अप हर ड्रीम, और अपने ड्रीम वो पूरा करे, उसे बीच में ना छोड़ दे. She wanted Manjula to have the will and strength to focus on her skill as a painter. वो चाहती थी कि मंजुला किसके ऊपर फोकस करे? पेंटिंग के ऊपर. अपनी पूरी स्ट्रेंथ उस पर लगा दे. एंड नॉट पे अटेंशन टू एनी कमेंट दैट मे डिस्करेज हर. और जैसे लोग उसके ऊपर कमेंट्स करते थे कि जैसे ये पेंटिंग नहीं कर सकेगी, ये सारे जो निगेटिव कमेंट थे उसके ऊपर उसने ध्यान नहीं देना चाहिए. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, who do you think left the newspaper clipping in Manjula's room with a sentence underlined in red? What does this tell us about the person? Manjula's brother Amol seemed to have left the newspaper clipping in her room with a sentence underlined in red. वो न्यूज़पेपर किसने रखा था? मंजुला के ब्रदर अमोल ने. The next question, what does this tell us about the person? अभी इससे हमें क्या पता चलता है अमोल के बारे में? This tells us that although Amol irritated and played pranks on Manjula, deep down he cared for her and did not want he to give up her dream of becoming a painter. देखो, जैसे भाई बहनों में हमेशा नोकझोंक होती रहती है, वैसे ही ये अमोल भी मंजुला के साथ वैसे ही करता था. कुछ कुछ प्रैंक्स खेलता था उसके साथ में, उसको वो इरिटेट करता था. लेकिन कहीं तो भी उसे दिल से ऐसा लगता था कि मंजुला ने अपना ड्रीम पूरा करना चाहिए एंड अच्छा एक पेंटर बनना चाहिए. यहाँ पर जैसे मैंने अंडरलाइन की है मेन वर्ड्स के नीचे, वैसे आप भी कर लीजिए ताकि ये आपको लर्न करने के लिए ईजी होगा.